In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate Google Meet links in Calendly. If you want every booking to come with its own video link, this setup is exactly what you need. We're going to make sure Calendly creates a unique Google Meet room for each meeting, so you don't have to copy and paste links or worry about reusing the same room. Start by logging into your Calendly account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to your scheduling area where you manage your events. Before you adjust anything, make sure Google Meet is integrated with your Calendly workspace. In simple terms, Calendly needs permission to create Google Meet rooms on your behalf. If you don't see Google Meet later as an option, that's usually a sign the integration needs attention in your settings, or you may be signed into the wrong Google account in your browser. Next, navigate to the specific event type you want to use. This could be a one-on-one session, a discovery call, or a group meeting. Pick the exact event type your invitees will book so the change applies in the right place. Each event type has its own configuration, so you're tailoring this behavior at the event level. Open that event setup and go to the location settings. This section tells Calendly how and where the meeting will happen. You'll see choices like phone, in person, or a list of video conferencing providers. This is the key area that controls whether a meeting link is created automatically. From the video conferencing options, select Google Meet. By choosing Google Meet, you're instructing Calendly to generate a fresh, unique meeting room every time someone schedules with that event type. It keeps your links organized, private to each booking, and easy for both you and your invitees to find. After you've selected Google Meet, save your changes by clicking Save Changes. This step locks in the update for that specific event type. If you manage multiple event types, you'll want to repeat these location settings on each one where you want Google Meet links created. From now on, whenever someone books using that Calendly link, a unique Google Meet link will be automatically generated and included in the calendar event for both you and the invitee. The link appears right in the event details, making it simple to join from desktop or mobile. This reduces confusion, ensures each meeting has its own dedicated room, and keeps your scheduling process streamlined. And that's all there is to it. You've connected your event type to Google Meet and saved the configuration, so Calendly can handle meeting links for you automatically.